welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Anna. I'm a little bit spooky, and today we are testing out and we're testing, reviewing all the things, the number 7 Restore and Renew Serum Foundation. This is a lovely product. I have it on right now, by the way. This is about 40 minutes in, but yeah, we're gonna wear test this throughout the day, see how it holds up. All right, so let's go ahead and just get into the meat and potatoes of this product. We're gonna start talking about the claims, move into a demo, and then into a wear test. And yeah, let me know down below. What do you think of number 7 products? Have you tried any? What's your favorite? Let me know down below. I think number 7 does fantastic when it comes to their formulas, especially with the complexion formulas. They are really nice. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the makeup. In the demo, I am not wearing any primer. I've just done my skincare, which is my use of Lancome Clarifique toner. I went in with some of my Origins eye cream, Kypris antioxidant dew, and some of my lighthearted SPF from Sunday Riley. And yeah, that's all that's on my skin. I didn't want to do a primer today. I wanted to see how this looked just on my skin without anything other than skincare. So one side of the face, I'm going to use my Sony Kashuk foundation stippling brush, and on the other side, I'm going to use my e.l.f. foundation sponge. I can't remember what it's called. It's the purple one, and it's my favorite. So let's go ahead and get started on this demo. You see, it's a pretty runny formula. I also didn't apply any flawless filter today, and nothing that's going to interfere with the finish of the product. I have the shade Porcelain. The Restore Renew Foundation from number 7 retails for $15.99. I can't get an accurate shade count because every website has a different grouping of shades listed. Expertly formulated with an age-defying finish that looks and feels natural while protecting with broadband spectrum SPF 20, this revolutionary lightweight foundation is powered by number 7's Restore Renew Serum technology and visibly improves the 5 key signs of aging. It instantly conceals fine lines, wrinkles, age spots, uneven texture, and tone for skin that appears lifted, firmer over time with continued use. The flexible formula moves in harmony with your facial expressions throughout the day, providing a smooth, age-defying, skin-enhancing finish. Buildable light to medium coverage, suitable for sensitive skin. 8 skin-loving ingredients. You have collagen peptide technology that reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles to give a lifted, firmer, plumper-looking skin in 14 days. Pro-retinol to smooth skin by supporting the natural renewal process. Vitamin C to instantly brighten the skin with a radiant glow. Vitamin E to protect the skin from environmental aggressors. Calcium amino acids and ceramides instantly nourish the skin. Ginseng extract targets the appearance of tiredness and fatigue. Hibiscus extract leaves skin feeling firmer. Okay, and that is one light layer. About 1 pump of the product with a brush. Beautiful coverage. All right, let's try with a sponge on the other side. Okay, I think I have just a hair less coverage on the sponge side, but not really like a huge difference. Just a little bit more less coverage. Like I can see a little more redness through. Man, it looks so pretty. It looks like my skin, just better. It's so pretty. Oh, I love this. It is gorgeous. So I'm gonna build that up on areas where I need a little bit more coverage. Then I want to take down some of the redness with the sponge. But I think either method is going to apply the product beautifully. Whether you use a sponge or a brush, it does well. You can do your fingertips as well. I think that's what they actually recommend. I'm not into doing fingertips for my foundation. I have stabby little fingers. It doesn't work well. Okay, let's see what coverage we can get on the cheeks where I can still see a little redness peeping through. Let's see if we can take that down a little bit more in the chin. Our light medium buildable, so we'll see how buildable she is. Oh, definitely buildable. Yeah. Oh, and it looks so pretty. That looks so nice. Wow. So beautifully glowy. It looks like you just did some amazing skincare. I am lifting some of the coverage up though. I'm noticing with the sponge, like it's sucking some of the product back up. So let's try building up the brush instead. Yeah, that's nice. That is nice. Beautifully buildable. Very much skin-like looking. Like, I don't look at this and see foundation. I see very healthy skin. And the shade match is perfection for me. The porcelain shade. Awesome. So pretty. It just looks so smooth. And like, just, wow. It definitely softens texture and kind of blurs a little bit while looking incredibly skin-like. It is so nice looking. Now my nose, brushes don't really like my nose too much. I'm gonna try to pat right here. It's looking really good on the tip of my nose. Forehead looks so smooth. It looks like I had a facial or something. Like I've done some really good skincare. Yeah, it's sitting really nicely. My fine lines, well, it's not enhancing my fine lines. It's sitting very nicely over my mouth and chin where I do have the most kind of lininess. It's not gathering anywhere yet. Very nice. Beautiful. It has such a gorgeous luminosity to it. Look at this beautiful glow. Oof. Heck yeah. If you're wondering why, if it doesn't look like it's a perfect match, I have a little bit of self-tanner on my neck still. Where it just hasn't come off, so I'm gonna kind of blend down. But that is just some self-tanner. This color is perfect for me. Right, okay, wow, how pretty does that look? Now I'm gonna go ahead and use just a concealer I'm really familiar with. I think I'm gonna use the Incognito from Wet n Wild. That is a favorite for me. I absolutely love that concealer so much. It is just hands down a fave. Okay, so I just used the Perfect Light Loose Setting Powder for the under eyes and around the face lightly, and mostly just in the T-zone, you know, pressing it in my areas that tend to get oily, especially around my mouth and chin, because I do have a somewhat oily skin type. I'm very combo, go either way, but I prefer to have a little bit of powder in there, but I can still see the glow of this foundation kind of coming through very subtly. I definitely think it will peep through a little bit more throughout the day. So for right now, this is a perfect finish to me, and yeah, very happy with this product so far. So yeah, I'm gonna finish up everything else and I'll see you guys in just a minute. All right, we're back with the whole look done. I like this eyeshadow look, by the way. It is using the Stone Cold Fox palette. Very nice. Okay, so let's talk about the skin. Let me get my magnified mirror and let's see how things are looking. Pretty smooth. I am seeing a little bit of creasing right here in my smile lines. That might have just been from the setting powder. Let's see if we can kind of press that out a little. Yeah, but that's about it. A little bit right in here in the usual spots. I think that might have been just the powder causing that, because that wasn't there a while ago. But yeah, forehead looks pretty smooth. Everything looks nice. I definitely think it's a really pretty foundation. So I'm just seeing a little bit of creasing in the mouth region. All foundations do that to me. That's just the way my mouth is made. But otherwise, I think it looks really smooth and really pretty on the skin. And just very, very nice and skin-like. I want to see how it wears throughout the day. I did put a bit of powder through the center, and yeah, that kind of took down some of the glow, and I have used a little bit of a highlighty blush today. So yeah, here's just a close look at the skin. But so far, so good. I think it is a really pretty finish. We'll see how she wears. All right, I will see you guys in just a little while. But otherwise, I do want to mention that this does have the SPF 20 in it. Now, to me, that's just an added bonus. Don't just rely on your foundation for your SPF. Like, to me, you need a dedicated SPF to get the job done. That's just me. That's how I feel about it. As somebody who burns really easy and gets sun damage incredibly easy, I like to stack the deck when it comes to my SPFs. So having the SPF in the foundation, and it's fairly low, SPF 20, that's just an added bonus, a little extra protection. And this is not my main source of skincare either. I do use some No. 7 skincare. I enjoy their products. I've enjoyed basically everything that I've tried from No. 7 overall. Like, I love their skincare and their complexion products. I think their formulas are beautiful. But I like that this does have like the retinol in it. I know this is geared for more mature skin, but I don't care. I figure the younger you start with the good skincare, the better you're gonna look when you are mature. But yeah, I'm 35 and this is how my skin looks at this point in my life, which actually it looks better now than it did 10 years ago because of skincare. So I will say that I'm pretty big into skincare, and that was one of the appeals of this product, was that it had all those amazing ingredients within. So yeah, and I love a nice lighter coverage type product that looks like skin, that doesn't look like I have a lot of makeup on. I don't feel this on my face at all. It's a very lightweight feeling, and I think the shade match was really, really good. So yeah, we're gonna see how this holds up throughout the day though, and so far so good. So I'll see you guys in just a little bit. Okay, foundation check-in and some natural lighting in front of the windows. Here's what things are looking like. Oh, lipstick on my chin, as usual. And that's worn off right there where I wipe my mouth. I think that was from when I was eating. But yeah, we've had lunch and stuff since. And the foundation looks gorgeous. When I look in the mirror, I'm like, yes, this is good foundation. It is so pretty and so smooth and just the perfect amount of glow. We are currently almost 8 hours in. And look at this. This looks amazing. Like, wow. Wowie wee wow. Ignore my lips, are a bit of a mess. But very good. Very good stuff. And cheaper than some of the more recent drugstore foundations have been coming out. So anyway, I will check in with you guys before bed, or before I wash my face for the night, and we'll see how things are holding up. Right now, things look pretty dang great. Like, hello. Look at my nose. Even my nose looks good. Forehead. And my chin's looking good, aside from me getting lipstick on it. And this, I don't know, either that's like lipstick migrates out there or what. I don't know. Anyway, I'm very happy with that. So yeah, I'll see you guys before bed. Okay, we are 11 hours in and I'm actually outside so you can get a good look at everything. And yes, it's still daylight. So I'm going to bed early. I've been up since midnight. I can't remember. I think midnight's when I woke up. Anyway, foundation still looks damn good. A little messy right there. That's just my eyeshadow. But yeah. And right here, I've been itching at my nose, so otherwise everything is still looking pretty damn good, I would say. So final verdict on the No. 7 Restore Foundation. I keep forgetting the name. It's awesome. It's beautiful. It is incredible. Look, I mean, the staying power is there, the dewiness is there, or the skin-like radiance, beautiful goodness, the added skincare benefits, all the things that you want in a foundation is there. Yes, I would recommend this not just to mature skin, but to just anybody who likes a nice, light, beautiful foundation that just doesn't want one that's going to look like makeup. You want something that looks like your skin, but just perfected. I think you'll like this. This is a through and through good one. As far as wear time, appearance on the skin, all around, I think I could probably get another like 2 or 3 hours out of this and be fine. They're all a little powder. We're good to go. We're gonna clean up around the eye here, and some lipstick. Yeah, this is a win, and do highly recommend it. Check it out. And it's one you can run to the drugstore to grab. It's available at Target, I believe, Walgreens, anywhere that number 7 sold. You can order it online. I think number 7 is also on Amazon. Don't quote me on that one. If it is, it'll be linked below. But yeah, overall, this is just a damn good foundation. Like, I've had a good run of foundations lately, but this one has kind of blown them all out of the water. This one and the True Match Hyaluronic Acid one serum from L'Oreal have been just the two best ones. But this one, I think, as far as staying power, is better than the L'Oreal one, and it's $2 cheaper. And you can sometimes find a sale at Walgreens. They have the rewards, they have the coupons. So, I mean, why not go for this one? Yeah, if you're in the market for a nice drugstore foundation that is breathable, lightweight, you don't feel it on the skin, all the good things in one, this is the one. This is the one to check out. Because, I mean, my skin still looks pretty damn flawless and nice. So I'm very happy about that. This is going to be one of my definite go-tos. I hear we've been reviewing a lot of foundations lately. I like reviewing foundations. I'm on a little kick with them right now. I'm really into complexion products. If there's any of them that you're curious about and you think I should check out, let me know down below, because I'm always on the hunt for something new to try out. So yeah, leave that in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe, stay spooky. I'll see y'all later. Bye now.